with the ball that finds Aqua. Stress one for Donzo, goes past Asante Morifing Donzo! Donzo on the double at the Babayara Stadium in Kumasi. The Porcupines lead Bechem United before halftime by 3-0. Morifing Donzo ensures that he gets on the score sheet for the second time. Brilliant passing play from Asante Kotoko. That ball from Aqua was excellent, and the presence of mind by Morifing Donzo to keep his calm and composure to go past the goalkeeper was awesome.
Look at that switch of play there to find Peter Amidu Aqua. Took the ball to his marker, made that delightful pass. Morifing Donzo getting past Asiedu. He had a touch to the ball, but Donzo waited for the fluff, picked up the scrap, and it was easy work for him to grab his second of the day. The Porcupines seem to be home and dry in this opening half.
Lovely from Morifing Donzo. You're thinking maybe Asiedu should have done much more better than he did, but you won't take anything away from Morifing Donzo. Calm and composed.